much for coming today, and I say this every year, but I can't believe we're at the end of the year already. We have had a fabulous year. I absolutely love this group of children. They are so much fun. They've learned so much, and they're just amazing. And a lot of that is all because of you guys. So thank you for everything you've done for us this year, and I can't wait for you to see this wonderful performance. The kids have been studying habitats and environments, and we always kind of celebrate the end by doing a play. This play is called The Rumpus in the Rainforest, which is one of the habitats we've been studying, and the children are portraying different characters from the rainforest. We also have some human characters. We have some explorers that stumble into the rainforest, and we have some shaman and shawomen that are medicine people from the jungle. And you'll get to meet all of them in just a moment. The play is a musical, so you get to hear their singing talents too. And it's the best show you've ever seen. I'm just sure you're going to say that. And they've been working really hard. And there's a lot of memorizing that's had to go on. We've been listening to the songs in the morning and the afternoon for a while, haven't we, guys? Yeah. So we go home and sing it in the shower, and I've heard some of the kids are doing that too, so the songs are catchy. And then after we finish, we do have a slideshow to watch to kind of celebrate the different things we did this year, and then we can enjoy some snacks. And the children also want to share their books that they just finished publishing that we did after our author study on Robert Munch. So we'll go ahead and get started. We hope you enjoy.
Once not very long ago in the Amazon rainforest lived a frog. This is the story of a possible dream that came true. Leaves are so thick in parts of the forest that less than 10% of the sunlight reaches the jungle floor. Creatures may spend their whole lives without ever seeing the sun. There on a log lives a frog with her dream.
Just once I gotta see the sky, once beyond the trees. Once I've got to get up high, just once beyond the leaves. Just once I want to have some fun, gotta get a plan. Just once I want to feel the sun, just once I want a tan. She's tried, leaping like a she's tried, jumps a race, but she's stepping all the hopping, because she's 100 feet too short. She's tried, leaping like a she's tried, jumps a race, but she's stepping all the hopping, because she's 100 feet too short. Just once I want to leave my log to see if skies are blue. Just once I want to be a frog who casts a shadow too. Just once I gotta see the sky, once above the trees. Once I got to get up high, just once beyond the leaves. She's tried, leaping like a she's tried, jumps a race, but she's stopping all the hopping, because she's 100 feet too short. She's tried, leaping like a she's tried, jumps a race, but she's stopping all the hopping, because she's 100 feet too short. Just once I want to see the sky.
The frog's friend, the toucan, has stopped by to see what Frog is singing about. The toucan hurt her wing the day before, and it still hurts.
Hello, toucan. Can you fly me up to see the sky above the trees?
I'm sorry, I can't. My wing doesn't work. Every time I try to fly, I just buzz around in circles until I get dizzy.
Then how will I ever get up to see the sky? I don't know. Here come the jaguars. Maybe they will give you a lift up the tree. Hello, jaguar. Can you take me up to see the sky above the trees?
Don't be silly. Why do we have to go up there?
I'm a cool, cool cat. This is where it is at. Here on the jungle floor, where the plants smell sweet and there's critters to eat. Here on the jungle floor. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more on the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? There are bugs to trounce, toads roll and to pounce. Here on the jungle floor. It's so dark and dim, what a great place to camp. Here on the jungle floor. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? He's a cool, cool cat. This is where it is at. Here on the jungle floor, where the plants smell sweet and there's critters to eat. Here on the jungle floor. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor?
The frog is still very determined. She spots a family of sloths living in branches of the tree.
Hello, sloths. Can you take me up to see the sky above the trees? I'm a sloth. I will help you up this tree. I'm a sloth, but I'm lazy as can be. I'm a sloth. I can agree to your request. I need a rest. Hey, wake up. I'm a sloth. I come down here in a blink. I'm a sloth, but I'm just too tired to think. I'm a sloth. Why, just yesterday I blinked and ate some sap. I need a nap. 1, 2, 3. I'm getting set to go. Can you see? I just moved a toe. Hey, you guys, pick up. I'm a sloth. I come bounding in a blur. I'm a sloth, but I find it hard to stir. I'm a sloth. I've got algae in my fur 2 inches deep. I need some sleep. Oh. I need some sleep. Wait, do you hear that? What? Listen. Look out, it's the boas. Fly away. I can't. My wings still won't work.
Oh, please don't run away.
You don't think well. I want to eat you, do you?
Oh, I see you're looking for a way to see the sky. Won't you hop on my back? I'll give you a ride up the tree.
Don't trust them.
Come along, I'm your friend.
just like to please. I ask one small favor. Let me give you a squeeze. Don't dither, let's slither to delight. No slipping, I'm gripping nice and tight. I do it from kindness. I love every bug. I ask one small favor. Let me give you a hug. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you're slinky and slide. But you know a bow up or two you can trust. And it's I. Don't dither. Let's slither up a tree. Don't hide now. Let's slide now, you and me. I do it for kindness. I just like to please. I ask one small favor. Let me give you a squeeze. Squeeze. Get away! What are we going to do? Humans, everybody want your lives! There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the rainforest today. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the rainforest today. The backus and zackus, let's start a fracas, quiet and then run away. Don't catch us and pluck us, let's make no ruckus, squawking without a delay. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the rainforest today.
Looking at the rainforest out there.
Monkeys are howling, jaguars growling, weasels are wailing away. The wild pigs are snorting, hawks are cavorting, we all have a whole bunch to say. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the rainforest today. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the rainforest today. Rumpus in the rainforest today. Here come three explorers. They're hunting for the lost ancient city of chocolate. The Amazon is the home of the cacao bean, the source of all things chocolate. The map says the lost ancient city of chocolate to be right here. Oh, I can't wait to find it. We've been looking for months and have completely ran out of candy bars. There's rivers of syrup, dark chocolate and light, and the springs of hot cocoa to bathe in at night. A town made of brownies, that's our mother load. Cacao beans, most beautiful flora that I've ever seen. Your life has been wasted until you have tasted the treats that were made from the cacao bean. This X marks the spot of chocolate boat where they kept the marshmallows, nuts, and the ball.
I want sugar.
We live in a tall house with several buds, except to climb up the great temple of fudge. Cacao beans, most beautiful flora that I've ever seen. Your life has been wasted until you have tasted the treats that we make from the cacao beans. Your life has been wasted until you have tasted the treats that we make from the cacao beans. Hi guys, that chocolate seed you're looking for is way over there. Just keep walking that direction and you can't miss it. Gee, thanks. Come on, guys, lesson in the hot fudge is a cherry. I didn't know there was a city of chocolate in the jungle. There isn't. Those guys are just scaring off the howler monkeys and they're my last chance. Hi monkeys, can you take me up to see this guy above the trees? What? Us take you up into the canopy? Are you nuts? No, I don't think so. Not hanging around us. Stay right on the ground and no monkey around. Up in the canopy. Stay right here so thin. We just howl and we grin. Up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? We just swing and play, go bananas all day. Up in the canopy. There was no escape and we all have one mate. Up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? This is just for chumps with opposable thumbs. Up in the canopy. Stay right on the ground and no monkey around. Up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? This is so discouraging. No one will help me, and I just want to see this guy. I don't feel good.
Just in a column of audience march by. The fog and you can jump out of the way. Nothing can stop a column of audience.
Here, give me a hand. Help me get on your log. I don't want to be nailed to death. Marching by the millions, marching all day long. One ant might be crazy, but millions can't be wrong. One ant is so tiny, two ants
teamwork reminds the frog of something very important. Her friend the toucan is still hurt. In her eagerness to get to the sky, the frog could not stop to help her injured friend. So the frog summons a shaman who says they can fix toucan's wound with stuff that goes right there in the rainforest.
I can fix this thing with the medicines of the jungle. Here, try some of these. Chew this bark, lick this leaf. If you ache, here's relief. Munch this moss, you'll agree. The forest is a pharmacy. The forest is a pharmacy. Bite this bolt, suck this vine. In a flash, you'll be fine. Put this root in your tea. The forest is a pharmacy. The forest is a pharmacy. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you're drinking some dirt. But fling off that sling